Yo, what's up? Boxerfest is here! Yo, let me brush my teeth right quick. But today is Boxerfest. I'm gonna meet this dude. I was talking to him through Instagram. I'm gonna meet him. He's gonna be competing in the cross track thing.
Put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my
freaking Subaru with Boxerfest with these lovely people right here. But yeah, about to enjoy the show. I'm still like shaky that I saw Jimbo's channel. It's like so surreal, but I didn't want to mess with him because he was like recording and stuff. So like I just kind of left and met with the homies. But yeah, about to enjoy the show. Hope you enjoy it. Sorry if the quality is bad. I can't really see with this phone. So hopefully by next week I'll have a camera. But enjoy the
foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Everyone making excuses, I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off, know that I'm never gon' lose it. Got addicted to the chase now, people saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gon' stand still, I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me, they treating me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treating me like I'm a salary, they bringing me up in discussion. They wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories, all of a sudden they all gon' be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern, I just go live and I learn. Trust me, I waited my turn, living my dream in return. This is a given and earned. People been listening over the world, I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never ran to the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around.
hey, what is this right here then? Everyone was trying to figure out like what that was.
Oh, in Japanese, or in Japan, they have like a light right here. And it blinks every time you break.
Yeah, we don't give a light here.
Doing this for the money, so don't misinterpret my last line. The weather ain't always been sunny, but I know that I'm gonna still shine. You never gon' make it till you got the power to go and develop a strong mind. Cause everything happens where you don't expect it, the journey ain't given a deadline. I'm going till I got a flat line, connecting with people like landline. I've been blowing up like a landmine, I put myself on like a combine. Knowing the way that they go and I'm ready for more, I don't wait on the sideline. I'm feeling like 2011 when Drizzy was dropping them hits like his headlines. I don't understand what I can't do, if I cut you off then I had to. I'm staying up late like it's fast food, the life of a rapper who in school. I don't wanna hear all the people who been trying to give me advice. If you haven't done it before, then don't give your opinion about what you think I should go do with my life. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy.
showing, so we make her call him Jose. Tryna steal my sauce, but he a fraud, ain't with that role play. Hey, had a hit on like them folk. Hey, never stop moving like I'm water. Wet just like some water. Your daughter, she like how I go harder. Smoking Skywalker, that Luke, I am your father. Free for the free, cause the plug know how to barter. Cross me, I could put you down. Martyr, I'ma drag us out the drought. Carter, you Peter like you Griffin, bitch, I'm Peter like I'm Parker. New season got you sitting, this whole season I'm a starter. I'm always moving, boy, I'm water, yeah. Ay, always lose, you need your harder, yeah. Ay, always moving like I'm water, yeah. Ay, sipping goose like it's my water, yeah. Always moving like I'm water, ay. Always moving like I'm water, ay. I know them sharks lurking when it's dark. Yeah, you don't wanna touch that water. I'm sky high, fly. I might buy like 5 times my desire price. Might be out of mind. I'ma cross soon as you draw the line. Your girl sort of mine. In her mind, she thinks it all the time. I only met her once, but since then you say she been hard to find. I don't want no wine, want a dime, 10 cents on the fine. My name on the line when I sign. Had to check the check. Anytime I sign's the only time you see me next to X. I be fresh to death. Tombstone gon' say the freshest yes. Work that check to check. Mona Lisa on the action sketches levels and I level up. More flows than etc. Spit it and you listen, leave you spinning your propellers up. Gentleman like Kettle One, Kettle One. Always moving like I'm water and I'm never done.
Look, I said it's wavy, it's wavy. Shit, I could've been up in the Navy. Flow perpetuated, wonder if he ever gonna make it. Outdated, rotation, trying to keep my cool, I get a little impatient. Choppy waters with my goonies, man, this shit get wavy. Let me get up in the mix, I'm back up in this bitch, so they know we get to flex a little bit. Got a full clip for that Sacramento kid, live from the booth, said it's nothing like the 6. Throw the foes up, then we in it. Shout out to the people who were with it from the beginning. Everything that I said, I'm in it. Real talk, stay fitted with a true religion. Name brand be the most lame. I spit flame like it's propane. JVG, we the ghost gang. We get a split decision, I need the whole thing. Grow slow, man, it's slow main. Never really tryna maintain, I ain't with it. Gotta keep it simple for those who ain't get it. Everything I said I do, I went did it. I'ma go get it while they chillin'. Taking L's, I'm talking dubs. Everybody show me love, I'm walking up. Talking cheap, you talking tough. Walk the line, I call they bluff. Like the L and then I take a puff. Profit minded, he never get enough. When you see me in the street, better say what up. Still moving, ain't nobody touching us, cause he the dude. Coming through, making moves. Third tape and it's nothing to prove. Except not a lot of people can compete with the dude. This real talk, nothing new. I say, he the dude, coming through, making moves. Third tape and it's nothing to prove. Except not a lot of people can compete with the dude. This real talk, nothing new. I said it's wavy, it's wavy. Shit, I could've been up in the Navy. Flow perpetuated, wonder if he ever gonna make it. Outdated, rotation, trying to keep my cool, I get a little impatient. Choppy waters with my goonies, man, this shit get wavy. I said it's wavy, it's wavy. Shit, I could've been up in the Navy. Flow perpetuated, wonder if he ever gonna make it. Outdated, rotation, trying to keep my cool, I get a little impatient. Choppy waters with my goonies, man, this shit get wavy. Said I'm back up in it with it, man, gon' get it. Scrapped up, hit it with a bad bitch, with it be the mattress killer with the feathers to the squilla. Never been a killer dude, but the cash gon' get it. Stay fitted with a snapback. Team falling off, probably what you mad at. Right up on the white, I could probably spit a crack rap. So ran wrap the bag, drop it in the plastic. What you know about that? I'ma be the reason my people up on the map. I'ma be the reason they working up in the lab. I'ma be the reason they turning up in the trap. Like do that brick, I said do that shit. I been working too hard and never get the respect. So now I gotta stretch, take picks. And a couple shots of where your head at. Like coming at you live from a place with a great start. We ain't really on them days off. I've been in the water with them great whites. Homie better take flight. Other rappers stay soft, I'm a straight dog. Catch him throwing numbers on the cloud, but 100,000 if he throwing shots, better settle down. Got some people coming with me, so it's that nigga, tell me now. So it's that nigga, tell me now. I've been rolling through your city on the low. On that dizzy right, we solo, do. Instagram and photos, never camera shot. Flow be sharper than a samurai. If you need some problems, I could lend you mine. Wavy, it's wavy. Shit, I could've been up in the Navy. Flow perpetuated. Wonder if he ever gonna make it. Outdated rotation. Trying to keep my cool, I get a little impatient. Choppy waters with my goonies, man, this shit get wavy. I said it's wavy, it's wavy. Shit, I could've been up in the Navy. Flow perpetuated. Wonder if he ever gonna make it. Outdated rotation. Trying to keep my cool, I get a little impatient. Choppy waters with my goonies, man, this shit get wavy.
Problem now. A matter of situation regarded as unwelcome or harmful and need to be dealt with and overcome.
If they difficult to achieve,
had some problems before, but see we let them go. Gotta answer that door. We hit the liquor store, got some rock and some more, and we about to let it flow. We hit the liquor store, gotta answer that door, and we about to let it blow. Okay, don't judge me, I am not a drug addict, but this liquor and this tree make me feel above average. Weight on my shoulder and this baggage that I'm dragging make an average motherfucker probably one gon' crash. End it, what a tragedy. When your goal is in your reach and you can't grasp it, you looking back 40 years like damn it, if I won the game up I probably could've.
so much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing, just